My name is Michael Matthews. I'm the Director of Sales for the Hilton and Hampton by Hilton Bournemouth. The reason why we decided upon putting EV chargers into the car park was that we saw an increased demand from our customer base. Therefore, we needed to have EV chargers to be competitive against our comp sets such as kind of Brighton, Southampton. We chose PE as our EV charging option as we had a current existing relationship as our utilities supplier. They've tailored our offering and were able to be flexible in accommodating up to 20 EV charging points due to the fact that we have 200 parking spaces within the hotel. The four main things that attracted us to the PE EVC solution. So one of them being sustainability is a key factor in the hotel at the moment. Two, it's a huge revenue driver for the hotel, being able to offer EV charging within the hotel's facilities. Three, it was zero capex for us, including the groundwork, which was really beneficial. Four, it was increased footfall and driving people into the hotel. The installation process was done in such a timely manner. It limited business disruption within the hotel. If I could summarise my experience working with PE, it would be the fact that it was extremely streamlined, professional, and the team were really easy to work with.